Welcome to AutoCAD LT 2025. In this video, we'll introduce the new features and enhancements in this release. Let's dive in. Replacing DWG history, Activity Insights shows you updates made in your drawing by all collaborators. Let's see this in action. When a file is saved on a supported cloud storage provider, a new file version appears as a version activity on the Activity Insights palette. Click Compare within the version activity to view the differences between the current and previous version. The new Activity Properties panel provides further information about these changes. Click Exit Compare to end the comparison and close the DWG Compare toolbar. Additionally, you can view drawing history without opening the file. From the Start tab, click the vertical ellipsis and choose View Drawing History. Now you can convert multiple instances of repeated geometry into blocks. I'll convert this office chair into a block using the new bconvert command. I'll select this office chair for conversion and press Enter. Notice all instances of the same geometry are highlighted. In the Convert dialog box, I can choose to replace these instances with an existing block or convert them into a new block. I'll select New Block, give the new block a name, and click Convert. All of the highlighted geometry has been converted to blocks. This Smart Block solution provides a more efficient way to organize your drawings. Hatches can now be drawn without pre-existing boundary geometry. Create a filled shape using the rectangle or circle draw options, or hatch along a path using the polyline option. In this demo, I'll draw a rectangular hatch over this area of the drawing. We added Esri maps to geographic location. In addition to Bing Maps, you can now choose from 5 new Esri map options to add geographic location information to a drawing. The Graphics Performance dialog box includes a new Diagnosis tab, which shows you the status of your graphics card configuration. By checking this Diagnosis tab, it's easier than ever to pinpoint whether you need to enable hardware acceleration, update your graphics card driver, or upgrade your graphics card. See the product help for a complete list of new commands and system variables related to the new features.